Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this mixed media art. I have been making a lot of mixed media art these days, and if you have been watching my videos, you already know the basic process. The main difference between this art and my previous mixed media art is that instead of using wooden spoons, I have used wooden knives. For the base of this painting, I have used this MDF board of 22-inch diameter and 5.5mm width. First, I cut off the handles of my knives and glued them side by side so that they sort of look like leaves. I glued them like this along the edge of my MDF board. For the inner design, I mixed some Fevicol molded clay and then rolled it into some foam-like thingies, and then I glued it on my MDF board to make a simple design. If you think about it, this art is kind of like a mixture of Lippen art and mixed media art. Fevicol molded clay dries very quickly, so you have to be very fast in this step. It has happened to me many times. I had to throw away a lot of my clay just because I was too slow to work with it and it just dried up into a solid stone. Anyways, our base is complete. Now we will let it dry for at least one day. Our setup is completely dry. First, I painted it all with 2 layers of white acrylic paint. Then I started filling it with bright acrylic colors. Blue and pink used to be my favorite color combination when I was a kid, and I'm so happy I chose this color combination because I absolutely love it. In the end, I glued a lot of mirrors to add a lot of bling. This is what our final painting looks like. Do you like it?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is artwithsonam. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.